Why'd you tell me to stop?
Dude, I didn't tell you to stop whatsoever. Where did you get that from?
I thought you said I was supposed to stop.
No, dude. You did that yourself. What are you doing? Brad.
Put my forks down.
Brad, it's on the cart. Brad, you're ruining a $10,000 cart. What are you doing?
It's fine. It's fine. I don't. It's fine. See, I told you it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we can still use this cart. I don't know what your problem is.
No. It's good. It's good. It's good.
No, Brad, stop.
It's fine.
Brad, no, you don't need to do that.
Jake, why would you tell me to stop and smash my cart? What are we gonna do?
I didn't tell you to do anything, bro.
I got a plan. Let's build a new one. So on today's video, we're gonna go over how to build a new welding cart. I don't know what happened to ours, but for some reason, it just can't really hold our welder very well anymore. So we've decided to bring a new product to the market. We're gonna offer a do-it-yourself welding cart. It's gonna come flat packed, press broke. All you're gonna need to do is purchase your wheels. We might offer wheels in the future, but we're gonna have different options because some people like regular casters, some like the big wheels at the back. So I feel like we'll leave that up to the consumer to figure out exactly what they want. All right, so come on over with me to the Beam Blaster 3000 while we get all these parts all chopped up.
Brad, safety second, right?
Oh yeah, gotta have our gurgles. We use 12 gauge hot rolled steel. It's kind of a medium between lightweight but still strong and heavy duty. We actually stopped using 10 gauge in our shop and switched to this. Now that we break and fold everything, the breaks and folds add a lot of rigidity, but when it comes off the table, it goes back to its memory of being coiled. This material comes in a giant coil and they run it over machines to flatten it. So now that it's been essentially rememorized, it's coiled. We're gonna add dimple dies in there for strength and rigidity, and then also add brakes on all that. But we'll show you after we dimple die this how just the dimple dyeing will start to straighten it out. So not everybody has the luxury of dimple dyeing with a CNC press brake. Most people end up doing it on an old a hydraulic press or something like that. But we're fortunate. So now that we're done with all the dimple dies, we're gonna get all the sides folded up. You know, we'll let Big Bertha eat. The kit will come pre-dimple dyed, press broke. So essentially all you'll have to do is fold it together, bolt it together, not fold it together, and paint it afterwards. So once your box gets there, unpackage and make sure you got everything. You're gonna get a few little washers that are gonna get tack welded underneath the holes if you're going with the full swivel kit. 2 side pieces, bottom plate, and top plate. And of course, all the hardware you're gonna need to bolt it together. So assembly's pretty simple. You're only gonna need a few hand tools. You'll need a bolt or a wrench to tighten down your bolts on your wheels. All the hardware is gonna be 1/4-20s. It'll come with stainless steel button heads and 1/4-inch nuts. The nuts use an 11mm or a 7/16. We only use metric around here. There's always an equivalent. When you're assembling everything, you're going to want to leave everything loose until the cart's fully assembled and then tighten it all down. You should be using that method when assembling almost anything. I don't know if you've ever put together some Swedish furniture, but You get down to the end, you have everything tightened, and just a couple things don't line up, and you wonder why. It's because you need to have everything loose and then snug it all together. So this cart we're assembling here is set up for a standard 155, 173, whatever you want to call it. All the manufacturers make their tanks a different size. But it'll have provisions for the big boy 250s and everything also. You'll just set this panel forward about 2.5 inches. All the holes will be there and drilled for you.
Looks better than any Harbor Freight one I've seen.
Oh, definitely. It's already more sturdy too. So these little washers with the 4 holes, they're gonna line up with this right here. You wanna get your 2 center holes lined up and just put 4 little tacks right there. That's gonna support if you're running the 4 caster option.
What if they don't have a welder?
Don't know why they'd be building a welding cart if they don't have a welder. But for today, we're just gonna assemble it and probably leave it like that for 6 months. And that's that. Not really wiggling. She's mint. All right, now that we're all done, let's see how the Millipiller fits on there. It's heavy.
Three hours later.
Look at that. We're gonna do a comparison real quick.
Brad, what are you doing?
Oh, we're gonna do a test. We'll see which one works best. That one held up. We broke a caster. Let's see, one more. It held up. What do you guys think the Hobo Freight's gonna do?
She's gonna...
That wasn't bad. I thought it was gonna break way worse.
Brad, that was a perfectly fine cart.
No, I'm making it better.
Last I checked, it was pretty straight before you hit it.
No, it's perfect now. Check this thing out. Which one would you rather have on your shop? This sweet one or the new hot Metal Fab? All right, that's a wrap on our do-it-yourself welder cart. I want to thank all you MIG monkeys out there for taking the time to watch our video. We're going to be listing these on the website pretty soon. The price is going to be $199 for the cart without the wheels. If you want to take the option with the wheels, it'll be $299. And just remember, check out all of our other videos. You might find a video that has something free to give away. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a good one.